1.2 Activity 10. Please sit down. Please stand up. Turn around. Please hop on one leg. Hop on two legs. 1.3 Let's speak. Hello, my name is Lalit. Hi, I am Farida. Hello, my name is Manjeet. Hi, I am Mrunal. Hello, my name is Tarang. Hi, I am Shamal. We are friends. What is that in your hand, Lalit? This is my English dictionary. It is very useful. What is that in your hand, Shamal? This is my water bottle. It is very useful. Can you lend me your dictionary? Sure. May I?